welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. This is Life of Lee. I'm Lee, and I'm pretty much going to take you through my portfolio for March. So currently just made some coffee using Kamano Dagger coffee, but you can find the link in the description box below if you like coffee. But pretty much all the videos you see on YouTube, it's always like 50k, 25k, 30k, 100k portfolios and stuff like that. But I've only got £1,000 in mine, so I thought this video is pretty good one for beginners. I tried searching for how much beginners earn through dividends, and I couldn't find any. So that's why I'm putting this video together for you guys. If you are looking at starting, or you are currently starting out, then hopefully you're on the same journey as me, and please make sure you go subscribe so we can follow the journey together, or you can start following my journey along the way. So before we get started, please hit that like button, and like I said, please subscribe. So yeah, we're going to dive into the dividend tracker. So this is the website I use to track my my stocks, my dividends, etc. There's other websites you can use, but this one I find really useful. It links up to my Trading 212 account. So whenever I buy stocks and shares, pretty much it just updates on here. So I can just download this app, and it basically gives me a total. So as you can see here, this is the front page. You can add different portfolios. So if you have like a retirement, a savings, etc., you can put them in different files and keep track of them that way. But I've just got one portfolio here, just called Lee's, to go with this channel. So this is what I will use for this. So as you can see here, the dividend yield here. So this is a ratio of what I'll get pretty much at the end, like each year. So it's currently sat at 5.5%, so 5.50%, which is great. You want to try and aim or keep it above that 4% if you want to have a good return. So, and then here is, you can see the total annual income from dividends, like the average cost per share, and I'm sat up, like I said, just over 5.5, so 5.62%. And as you can see there, then my March income, I'm looking at £12.02 at the moment, but I am investing weekly into my portfolio, so that will probably increase going forward. And an annual income, if I left my portfolio the way it is now, invested no money, at the end of the year I would have earned a total of £40.61. So that's just the front page, just give you a little in-depth in that. Like I said, my total is at the top, and how much I've gained or lost currently. So I'm currently up 2.4%. That's a total of £16.30. So this is just my individual shares. I do have a pie, which is like 50 companies. I haven't put that on here. I'm just keeping this to my single shares at the moment, because I don't want to upload 50 different shares onto this and keep tracking it. That's just a completely different series on here, so make sure you go check that out. Cool. And then we're going to go on to my current holdings. So like I said, these are just my my main holdings I've got so far. So my main like individual stocks, which ain't part of my pie. So Coca-Cola, Legal & General, Microsoft, Realty Income, Redwood, and then my Vanguard, so S&P 500, and then my FTSE 100 is in there. So all these companies I have over £100 in. So when I opened this at the start of the year, I basically put £100 on each one, and each week I invest, I think it's £20 every week at the moment. So roughly £100 a month goes into this, and I'll just separate it depending on how the stocks are doing that week. So I do have different ones pretty much on there. So these are just my current holdings. As you can see, my shares, I've got 2 shares in Coca-Cola, 46 shares in Legal & General, half a share in Microsoft, 2.8 shares in Realty Income, 21 shares in Redwood Trust, 2 shares in my FTSE, and then 1 share of the S&P 500. And then one of the beautiful features of this website is, you can see here, your payout dashboard. So you have an overview of your portfolio, and then you can look at your dividend payouts and stuff like that. And then you can pay for a membership on this website, or you got a free option on this, and obviously you get better or more features when you pay for it. So if this website does look good to you, then you can find the link below to sign up for this website for free. So I started investing in the new year, so the start of the year. It's currently now the start of March. February, I earned a total of 60 pence. So that was my first month pretty much of earning dividends, was February. I earned a total of 60 pence. So March is my biggest one of the year, so that's why I thought I'd make this video showing you guys the March breakdown. So as you can see here, March, I'm looking to earn a total of £12, which is pretty good, I think, for 1 month, pretty much having 1 month of savings and already earning £12 in a month. As you can see, April, it drops down to £1.50. May, like I said, 60 pence, so the same as February. So obviously I probably need to invest more into the dividends or into the stocks that pay out in May to try and bring that up. The goal is to have, basically my first goal is to have £100 payout, and then hopefully £100 every month is the goal, and then obviously we can start building on that. But the first goal is to get £100 in 1 month. So currently March is looking like that month. Hopefully in a couple of months time, end of the year, hopefully I'm closing in on that £100. June, £5. So you can see, like every 3 months, like every quarter is when dividends normally pay out. There is the odd company that pay out monthly. So that's what you can see here, which I'm going to go into now. So yeah, I'll just take it back to the start of the year. So January, you can see here, I only started investing. I only had 1 payout then. This is one of the companies that pay out monthly, and that is Realty Income. So they paid me a total of 70 cents. So this company pays in US currency and not GB. So I'm not sure how much that equals out to be, but that was 70 cents, I think, is their currency. Feb, exactly the same thing. Realty Income, exactly the same money. And then let's go into March. So you can see here, March now, I've got 4 days here that's getting paid out. The 9th, Microsoft is paying me 34 cents. And like you see there, they're paying quarterly. So they're one of the company that paid, quarterly. That's the 9th already. The 15th, one of those monthly dividends. And companies, Realty Income, again, they're paying me 71 cents. And you can see there, it's a monthly company. 27th, Legal & General, and that is £6.16. So that's where that big bulk comes in from. I'm probably going to invest a lot more into this company. It's a pretty solid and secure company, looking into it. And then End of the month, then we got Redwood Trust, which pay out quarterly. They're paying me a total of $4.83. My Vanguard, or my FTSE, is paying me out 83 cents. Again, that's a quarterly payout. Vanguard S&P 500, again a quarterly payout, and that's going to be earning me a total of 26 pence. So as you see there, these are the companies that pay out the US currency, and you can see how much they're going to be paying me over the months coming up. Scrolling down, then I got my dividends, which pay out in my British pounds, my British currencies, so my S&P 500 and my legal and general. So that's pretty much my portfolio. Like I said, this is a video for you guys. If you are starting out or you're new, then hopefully this video helped you. I trade on Trading 212. So if that's something you want to become part of, again, the link is in the description box below. Please jump over, sign up, and we both earn free shares from that. So we both bonus reward for that thing. And then obviously, if you are interested in a dividend tracker, then I highly recommend the Dividend Tracker. Again, you can find the link in the description box below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button if you haven't already. It only takes a couple of seconds. And again, if you want to stay up to date with my portfolio, how it grows, and if I'm going to reach that end goal of £100 a month dividends, then make sure you are subscribed. I will start doing this monthly, keeping you guys up to date, along with the other series I got going on my almost daily dividend pie. So that's another series I'm doing on this channel, so please hit that subscribe button to stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next update.